So here we are with the trade customers Binatone 5-star. You'll notice it's missing its escutcheon or inlay or front panel decal, whatever you want to call it. So interesting fault with it not selecting channels properly. A set that's been dropped. Turns out the channel selector switch with its bent shaft didn't help, and apart from that and the bent meter and the broken core and so on, it's now a worker. So it hasn't said anything all day, so we'll go to Mega Chippie channel and I can plug in the extension speaker ready, because you can switch on the extension speaker, can't you, on these?
I'm ready, are you?
Roger. Right, we'll go over to the extension speaker. Just like that. I really like that it's selectable.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger. We've got a 10 control on this.
Oh, very good. Well, the tree is not the tree. I get it wrong every day. The field's looking nice and green again today.
Good.
Maybe one day I'll find out what it actually is and be able to tell you.
Yeah, we'll keep it in the high position. It's a 3-position switch on this set.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you the end of the lane.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Yeah, 15 minutes late. Trying to find a channel that was clear.
Roger. Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Good.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
What have you got you at the top of the hill?
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you. I've been going around Scratchy Corner, Wilford. I've got some funny noises because must be some kind of lift on this bit of interference on this channel too.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you. Loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I've got some funny noises because must be some kind of lift on this bit of interference on this channel too.
Nevertheless, I'm on a Binatone 5-star and it's full 4-1 movement.
Yep, roger that. Well, it's not causing me any problems. I'm getting you loud and clear.
Roger, excellent.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going to Wilford level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
We've got you out of the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you as a Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Binatone route, not route 66, I'm on the Binatone 5-star, 7net 134 from 1981. It's in full 4 watt and it's doing 1.3 amps to reduce that power. So go with the low power. I'm speaking, I haven't put it 350 milliwatts on this rather than 400 milliwatts. 543.
Yep, roger that. All received on high power, pretty much nothing on low power.
Roger, alright, I think you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, I didn't get any of that.
Over, petrol price?
No, I wasn't looking. Probably the same as yesterday.
Fine, okay. Right. I'll do the test, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
Roger, got you going over Rossby, a level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, over? Right, I'm looking for a petrol price. Over, petrol price? Never mind, okay. Right, so that concludes the test, thank you. 10-10. Right, well, apart from the interference we've got today on this channel, I don't know what's going on. We've got interference on channel 31, which was even worse. I'm going to change the dropper resistor on the meter lamp. It's just a bit too dim, so that's going to be work in progress for tomorrow. But other than that, that seems to be fine. We'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like on the Midland 76900 base station.
Tango 21, testing the Binatone 5-star with the standard replacement microphone into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just pop it onto low power. There we are on 350 milliwatts, low power testing, and then back onto high power. Let's just check for hum. There we go. Another set rescued from the scrap bin. So catch you all on the next one, which I think is oh, it's going to come to me. I think we've got a 5 in that beta 3